I see something that says luxury card, and then another thing that says luxury card, and then something that says vertible contents. And then let's start taking this out. Now, what do I see? I just see luxury card rewards, luxury card app, luxury card benefits, unkillable contents,
valuable contacts,
utility pad,
utility pad,
luxury card concierge, luxury card travel, and I see something else. Wow! I see a luxury card. Whoa. Dude, is this made of metal?
It is made of metal.
Is it golden?
No, it's just made of metal, but it's a gold color.
This is nice, right?
Yep, those are all the rules.
These are the rules of the luxury card. I cannot read them because it's going to take me too long, so we'll just put these guys to the side. And we'll put the luxury card back in. So that's all.
Thank you.
You're